how to add MMD models to Blender in 2025. So hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So first of all, you have to download the MMD Tools add-on and visit the GitHub repository and download the latest version of the add-on. And after that, you have to open Blender and go to Edit, then Preferences, navigate to the Add-ons tab and click Install and locate the downloaded zip file. And after that, you have to enable the add-on by checking the box next to Object MMD Tools, and you may need to search for MMD to find it. And after that, if the add-on is not visible, ensure it's extracted correctly and you are using a compatible Blender version like 2.75 plus. And after that, you have to go to File, then Import, and select the appropriate format PMD or PMX based on your model. Navigate to the location of your MMD model file and select it, and then click Import Models. So the important notes are you have to always check the README files, and some MMD models rely on spatial texture, and some users have reported issues with newer Blender versions like 4.0 plus when importing MMD models. If you encounter problems, try using an earlier version of Blender. You can configure the MMD tools add-on to the user interface under the add-ons tab. So that's it for this video. See you on the next one, guys.